Hi everyone, Dr. Dave here from Synergy Wellness, Chiropractic and Physical Therapy in New York City. Today, I'm going to make my own face mask and I'm going to show you how to make your own face mask. I ordered over 2 weeks ago face masks from my business account on Amazon. I still haven't received them. So they're saying that they're prioritizing hospitals and medical facilities. Well, not my medical facility. So I've resorted to my own method. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a face mask, and what I'm going to have you do is just take out all the supplies. You're going to need a stapler, 2 rubber bands, and 1 sheet of paper towel. Preferably the Bounty, the Quicker Picker-Upper. No, I'm kidding. It could be any kind of paper towel. If you want to make it real strong, you can use 2 paper towels, okay? You're going to fold it like this. Kind of like an accordion, right? Or one of those fans that you would use. Accordion-like fans. I'm just going to flip it with each fold here. And if you want to make this even stronger or more, block more particulates, then just add that second sheet. I haven't tried it with 2 sheets yet. I'm not even sure how well you can breathe out of that if it's 2 sheets, but it's worth a try. So then you're going to take the rubber band here. Okay, you got that there. Two staples, 2 rubber bands, and a piece of paper towel. That can't cost more than 5 cents. Do that. Voila, you got your face mask. I hope you like my videos. I hope you guys subscribe. That's what keeps these videos coming. More and more of them, and they get better and better with each one. So thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hitting that bell to notify you of more videos. And thanks for liking this video. See you soon.